everybody, it's Mrs Hardwick again here. I hope you enjoyed our A sound yesterday. I've got a new sound for us today, and it is one that we've done before, but I thought we'd just recap it to make sure that it was nice and fresh in our minds for when we get back to school. So the sound that we're going to be doing today is E. 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 Well done. Do you remember it? I'm sure you do. Now, the picture that goes with our sound is this picture. And there's two boys in the tree, and this boy's got some binoculars and he's looking out at something. And this boy is saying, "What can you see? What can you see?" Well done, good joining in. Then, when we turn it over, this is what our E looks like. So we know that this is an E, and we know that this is an E. But when they make friends and become special friends together and we see them together, we can say E, E, E. Well done. Should we have a little practice at practicing? So when we see this side, we say, "What can you see?" When we see this side, we say E. That's our special friend sign, isn't it? Are you ready? Okay, go. Well done! You have remembered our E sound. I'm very impressed. Well done. Now, I thought that we could now see how we write our E sound. I'll get my whiteboard. So when we write our E sound, we have to do our E. So we lift off the top and take out the egg. We lift off the top and scoop out the egg. E. It's our E sound. Right, I've got Fred with me today as well. Fred is going to tell me some words. We're going to Fred talk them, and then we're going to say them normally. Okay, you ready? Oh, good one, Fred. T, E, T, E, T, E, T, E. Teeth. Well done. You can see our special friend sound in the middle of the word, our E sound. Well done. Let's do another. You see my sound buttons underneath? This one we've got S, E, S, E, S, E, S. C. Well done, everybody. That's great. You're joining in so well. C. Right then. Come on then, Fred. One more. Oh, good one, Fred. Good one. Are you ready for the last one? B, E, N. B, E, N. B, E, N. B, E, N. Bean. Well done. You, Fred, you used your Fred talk and you read B, E, N. And you wrote it together, bean. Excellent. Well done, guys. That's great. Right, now I'd like us to do some speedy sounds. So I have put my E sound into my pack of my cards. Okay, I'll have a turn first and you have a turn after. Are you ready? Put it in somewhere. O. Oi. E. I found my E sound. Right, your turn. Speedy sounds. Well done, guys. That's great. You saw the E sound. Let's try again. Don't peek. Are you ready? Excellent work. Well done. You found your E sound. I hope that's helped you recap and keep it nice and fresh in your mind with that E sound. So it's goodbye from me and goodbye from Fred, and we will do a new sound tomorrow. I hope you've had a lovely day in the sun. We'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye guys. See you.